Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today we're putting together a recipe inspired by our friends at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. During a live stream they made a banana fritter recipe that didn't quite work, so we decided to try our hand at it. Let's see what we're going to need. It's time to give these banana fritters a taste, and I am of course serving them with a cup of coffee. They're so cute. You can smell the banana. Delicious. Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Cats. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.